Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today for a 5-minute card, and today I'm using the Cling stamp set Amazing Year. I think this is a really cute stamp set and I love it. Really looking forward to doing my 5-minute card today, which is going to be featuring this stem of flowers and possibly birthday wishes. I haven't really worked that out yet. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need a piece of cardstock that is 10.5 centimetres by 14.8. Pop your bouquet onto a block. And I'm going to be inking this in Memento so I can use my blends to colour it in. Now, I know what you're all thinking she's never going to manage this 5 minutes and using the blends, because last time I used the blends I got carried away and I was well over my 5 minutes and it was just a very long video, but I was having fun. So let's see how we do with this one. I'm going to go I'm going to go landscape, I feel, and I'm going to put the I'm going to put it on that side. Yes, okay, like that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Yeah, we're going to have fun colouring that in. So just before I get carried away with the times, I'm going to use the birthday wishes and I'm going to ink and stamp that as well. So that is going to go just, oh yeah, it fits in perfectly. Can you see? It's just going to fit in really nicely in that gap there. Birthday wishes, loving that already. Okie dokie, right. Let's get our colouring on. What colours are we going to go for? This is where it normally takes the time. It's not the colouring as such, it's choosing the colours I find is a problem. I'm going to go soft succulent with the greens, just because I always seem to nowadays. The thing is I always used to go Just Jade, but since Just Jade has retired and we don't have it anymore, soft succulent seems to just shout at me, and it now seems to be my green of choice, which is strange because I never thought that when it first came out. Probably because Just Jade was still here, so I didn't really need to think about which green was going to replace it. But soft succulent is a good green, I feel. A surprising contender to the greens. But yeah, so just running through that. I'm putting it on all of the leaves in the dark, and then I'm just going to go over all of the leaves with the light. In quite a few of my 5-minute videos, I don't really do blending that much. I use the blends, but I just pick one colour and put the one colour on and don't play with them both, just because of time constraints. But sometimes I feel while you're trying to do 5 minutes, you also want to do your job right, and you want it to look pretty. And this stamp is just too gorgeous not to really do it justice, so we're going to do it justice. At least give it some sort of texture on the leaves. I'm thinking ahead to my flowers, and I think I'm going to want to play with a few different colours here. I definitely want to have the Daffodil Delight in the centre, and I think I'm going to be using Flirty Flamingo or late contender Calypso Coral. I'm using Calypso Coral a lot recently, actually. I like it, so I'm going to go with Calypso Coral and Daffodil Delight. So I'm going to start off with the dark Daffodil Delight on the centre of the flower, like that. And even though these flowers are turned to the side, you can still do the same. Then I'm going to be using the dark Calypso Coral sort of at the sides of the petals, like that. Okay. There we go. And then I'm just going to use the light Calypso Coral to blend that in. I'm not going to be hitting the Daffodil Delight as much as you probably thought I would. I'm going to sort of leave that a little bit. I'm just hitting the corners of it, but I'm not going over the inside bit because I just really want it to pop quite nicely. I'm not looking how we're doing on time, because if I don't look I can pretend I'm hitting it, but I know I'm probably not, because, you know, but 5-minute cards don't have to be 5 minutes, right? And I did introduce you to the cards at the start, so I feel like I bought myself a few minutes there. Just a bit more blending on that one, because that was looking shoddy blending. There we go. Quite happy with that. Oh, yeah, it's just over the 5 minutes, but you know, it's good. Okay, am I happy with that? Calypso Coral ink pad. Calypso Coral little sponging brush. And I'm just going to grab myself some scrap grid paper. That's me lazily getting off my chair because my scrap grid paper's on the floor. And I'm just going to go around the edge. Nothing too massive here, just a little bit of colour around the edge, just to sort of give it some pretty. Just to kind of break up the white a bit. There was looking like there was a lot of white on the card, I felt. And now there's not so much white on the card, which is good. There we are, birthday wishes. Okay, let's put the lid on that, and I feel like if I just grab a piece of cardstock now, I've already scored it, so I'm just folding, burnishing and sticking. And I'm going to want some pretties on this, and I know which pretties I want already, so that's good. Normally it does take a few seconds to actually look through my little box. It's going to take me a few seconds to actually look through, and oh, it was slightly smaller cardstock than I thought. Look at that, it was 10 centimetre by 13 by 14.3, but that works. I like that because it's got a little bit of a frame going around it. Yeah. So the pretties that I want on this are the brushed butterflies, because, you know, they're gorgeous and they're really going to look really nice on this card. I'm just going to fish those off. And grab a little one for down there. And there we go. My 5 minute, 7 minutes and a half card using the Amazing Year stamp set. Hope you enjoyed it. Everything I've used for this card is available from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Do head over to my Instagram wall and see me. It's at slimandstylish. On the wall will be my host code for the month. If you're going to put an order in, please use that and I will send you a little gift as a thank you. And hopefully I will see you all again soon. Bye everyone.
I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.